Document Automator Setup Airtable. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 in the search bar and press enter. On the website homepage, click login if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account, enter your email address and password and click the Get Started for Free button to proceed. Next, prepare a new base in Airtable, for example by creating a table structure for your data. Then, go to Google Docs and create a template document with placeholders for the data you want to insert and save in your drive. Once you are back on the Zapier homepage, click the Zap Automated Workflows option to start creating your automation. In the Copilot search box, type Airtable Automator Google Docs. Copilot will display a sidebar menu. From there, click the Airtable option for New Record. Then click the Google Docs option for Create Document from Text. Continue by filling in the setup, configure, and test fields according to your Airtable project. Then click Continue with selected record. For Google Docs, change the event column in the setup section to Find Document. Fill in the configure and test fields again. Click Test Step, and finally click Publish.